Hi there, I'm Jewel. Welcome back to my channel, Style Lady Forever. I wanted to do a video about this new product, Micro Ink Pen. Have you ever wanted to have your eyebrows microbladed, but you don't want to pay for it, you don't have the time for it, you don't even know where to go, and what if they made a mistake? Well, here's a new product for you to try, and I'm trying it first. This is what it looks like. So stay tuned to see how I put it on and what my thoughts are.